welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah, your Dairy State Vegan, and today I have a really fast and easy recipe for you. So let's get into it. Alright, so today what we're making is we're going to make a vegan crab rangoon, and it is so fast and so easy. Anyone can do this and you will impress all of your not vegan friends. Okay, so what you're going to need for this recipe are Gardein crabless crab bites, just 3 of them, about 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, red onion or scallions are great, 1 tub of vegan cream cheese, this is the Trader Joe's brand, some vegan wonton skins. Then for seasoning, you're just going to need garlic powder, onion powder, salt, sesame oil, oop, the oil made a little streak, and some sugar. And then while we're prepping these ingredients, it's going to happen so fast that we're going to heat some oil in a skillet so that we can fry them up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Gardein crabless crab cakes, and I've cooked them and then let them cool so they don't melt our vegan cream cheese right away. And we're just going to kind of mush them up. You could do this in a food processor, but honestly, this is so easy. I wouldn't dirty the food processor. Okay, so once our crabless crab cakes are good and mushed, we're going to add to that our container of vegan cream cheese. This is actually a little shy of 1 container. I thought I had a full one and I didn't, but we're just going to make it work anyways. Now, another tip for this, if you don't want to go through the frying process, is you could make everything that I'm making in this bowl and heat it up as a crab rangoon dip. Okay, so we've got the cream cheese, we're going to add our onions, and then before we add any seasonings, we're going to mix these 3 together. So once they're well incorporated, then we're going to taste it and then we're going to start to season. Now this doesn't look like a lot, but because you only use so little filling in each wonton, a little bit goes a long way. This will probably make 15 to 20 crab rangoons. So we're just going to give it a taste. We're going to add a drizzle of sesame oil. Y'all, just a few drops goes a long way. You can see I added just very little. Sesame oil is strong, so you don't want to overdo it, but it also has a very Asian kick. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. A small pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then, this seems weird, but when you eat crab rangoon in a restaurant, usually it's made with imitation crab meat, which is sweet. And the crabless crab cakes don't have that sweet factor to them. So we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And this is going to give them that authentic Chinese food restaurant taste that you crave without eating them from a Chinese food restaurant. So we're just going to mix this together. And once you've mixed it well, just give it another taste. So good. So good. So then we're going to assemble. So you want to get yourself just a little bit of water to wet down the edges of our wontons. I'm going to lay them out. Lay them as triangles because you're going to fold them in this way. I don't do the fancy crab Rangoon shape. I've never been able to, and I'm not going to pretend like I can. Then we're just going to put a little bit of filling in the center. Don't overfill these or they won't seal and they will not cook up properly. So maybe about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of filling per wonton. This is what you're going to want for filling. So you've got a good perimeter around the outside to be able to wrap them up. And then, to seal our wontons, all you're going to do is dip your finger in the water and go around all 4 edges of the wontons. And then fold and press firmly around the edges and they'll just seal right together. So once they're all sealed, they should look like this. All right, I'm going to seal the rest of these and then I'll show you how we get them in the fryer and cook them up. Alright, so our oil is hot. We're going to turn it down to medium heat. We're just going to take our wontons that are filled with our filling and gently drop them in there. Do not plop them. You will get splashed with oil and it won't feel good. Now these are going to cook up really quickly in the oil. They're only going to take about 2 to 3 minutes each, so do not leave them unattended. Gonna flip them when they're golden. Ooh.
They're really popping.
Alright, well here you have it. A plate of perfectly fried, crispy, vegan crab rangoon. They're so easy to make, and like I said, if you don't want to go through the process of filling and frying, you can just make the mixture and then buy wonton chips, vegan wonton chips, and dip it in it. But this is definitely going to be a showstopper to bring as an appetizer to your next get together. I'm going to make some vegetable fried rice for my little family so we can devour these. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you like this video, to hit the like button and comment down below. I'd love to hear if you made these and what you thought of them. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I do all kinds of veganized versions of craveable foods. I also have a Thanksgiving series for vegan foods right now, and I'm going to be doing a Christmas series on Christmas meals, but also vegan Christmas cookies. So you don't want to miss any of that. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks. Bye.